What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we're going to be talking about 2025 year of the Firebird. So if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that this is my 88 Pontiac Firebird Formula TPI 5-speed car. We painted it, we've done interior on it, and we've driven the hell out of it. If you're a recent subscriber to the channel, you'll know that I have an F-152 that's 700 horsepower, but this is the car that I've never sold. This car has been with me since I was 20 years old, and it's gonna stay with me as long as I can. As long as I can keep this thing, it's staying. Like, this car will never be sold. The only way I'd ever get rid of this car is if it got totaled, and I'd probably just buy it back just to put it somewhere and cry about it. But 2025 has been a pretty good year, and we've done multiple car shows from Tomahawk.
Say something.
Right? He's over there.
Oh, there. Say something.
Oh, from our own car show at the dealership, Wheels for Meals. From Washburn Car Show. Alrighty. So I got all set up. Don was hoping to get over there. To going to just at random events in the area. But yeah, this is the overview. Quite a few. But we'll go down and check out some cars. We've also done autocrossing. We also won trophies at car shows that we've been to as well too. So here, and we're gonna load up. Oh yeah, we ended up pulling first. So thank you to everybody that voted for the car. A lot of work went into it. I've just driven it. I've driven it to Minnesota and back. Old Smokey Joe, the old 305, still going at it. So car has got me through hard times. So it's one of those cars you just never sell. I've been asked about it. Never gotten a price, but I just respectfully say not for sale. So where does that leave us at this end of this year? Well, I have in here in my hand, and a lot of you don't know, maybe some of you do, some of you know, I have here a plaque that we submitted the Firebird for a calendar, and I'll show you the photos here. Show you the photos that we took here. My girlfriend Cassandra did an awesome job taking photos, as you can see. Putting them up on the screen right now. This is what we submitted to this calendar, or this for a calendar. And a lot of you guys know that I work at O'Reilly's part-time after working at the dealership. Well, O'Reilly's has what they call it, Spirit of O'Reilly's car show calendar, and it's the workers, the employees of the company submit their vehicles. They submit 2 photos, and they get judged and picked by the people at, like, the higher ups at O'Reilly's, I'd imagine, for their calendar. And we took first place in our class, which was Modern Muscle, 1988 Pontiac Firebird. That's freaking awesome. I've never been selected for a calendar. I was hoping that this would happen. Like, it was like, yeah, let's do it, you know. And my girlfriend was all on board. Let's get some photos. Let's go down some back roads and get some good photos of this beautiful car that Aaron has painted. So it's just it's kind of surreal. So I was at work, and one of the drivers from O'Reilly's dropped this off. Thank you, Marcus. And they dropped off this as well. So here we are in May, and looks great. Love it. So awesome. Really appreciative of that. It's definitely keeping this forever. And I got the plaque. as well. So to end the year with being in a calendar for 2026 just means all good things coming in 2026. So let's celebrate by starting this thing. It is the start of winter. We have gotten snow, so I can't drive this thing anymore. They have slayed salt down on the road all over the place. So let's do a little cold start. It is currently like, it's gotta be like 20 degrees right now outside. In the garage it's probably like 40, so. Dude, I haven't started this thing in like probably like a month and a half. Just fired right up. That's crazy. Okay. Gosh, I wish I lived in a warmer climate. Just drive this thing all year. Drive the truck all year. I mean, I could drive the truck all year, but like listen to this thing. That's pure American fucking muscle. So if you guys want to see this, well, I'm not even in the light. So definitely subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. 2025 with this vehicle has been insane. Check out the new videos of the F-150, 700 horsepower F-150. And we're gonna be taking that down to Texas here in about 2 weeks. So we're definitely gonna vlog that, travel, all that. But damn, dude. Like, what more could you want? Maybe a garage, my own garage, that'd probably be good. But hell yeah. Definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. You guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. Thanks guys, bye.